Nice to meet you, my dear watercolor friends. And today I prepared for you another beautiful subject. I decided to choose something romantic, something about architecture and creating atmospheric mood. I would like to choose the sunset over the Grand Canal in Venice, the famous Basilica of Santa Maria della Salute, and this is the place which I would like to visit soon if everything goes well, and I hope I will create my own references in such beautiful, inspiring place. And today I would like to paint this subject with hope that all my dreams will come true. And your dreams will come true, of course. If you already been in Venice, you can share with us in our group chat the most beautiful photos from your trip, and you can share your experience. And let's start. First of all, I would like to create more feel the common mood of my future painting. And in this small sketch you can try colors. You can create your color harmonious. The building of the church will be lighter than the background buildings. The building will be little darker than the sky. The sky has its own tone. It shouldn't be white. I will create smooth transition from dark sky, dark top sky to the horizon line. This building also will be dark enough. Here we can see dark place, windows, dark, confident with drawing figure. You can try to work with graphics to find the most beautiful silhouette of the figure. In this format it shouldn't be really big, but it's really important to find the beautiful place and beautiful silhouette of the gondolier. You can notice that I almost don't use eraser when I create sketches. For example, here it will be our middle line, and this line will help us to create correctly all proportions. Right now I'm trying to find the position of the left buildings, the proportion of the distant buildings as well. Shell pink. Your colors should be clean. And I will apply all these colors closer to the horizon line. I will take more shell pink. Don't forget about paper napkins. You can remove excessive water from the masking tape. And we need to move forward. I will take lilac to this mix. You can apply opera rose with shell pink and red orange. You can apply such bright stripes of this tree, for example. And don't forget to use soap to protect the hairs of this brush. I just would like to apply small lights on the streets. One of them I can see here. Small dots here. Maybe the second one here. Small one in this zone. 3 together. Because I feel the left part is really cold in color. Something like this. And of course we need to apply some base. I will apply this brush, which I mentioned before. I will take Payne's Gray, Ultramarine and Orange. I feel that my wash still contains enough water, but I would like to start with a distant on a rough paper such texture, and it will be a good contrast with soft sky and sharp effect of architecture. And I would like to apply some colors to the building, and let's check how it works. For example, I can mix Mystery of Red. You can see such interesting color. It already looks interesting. With Mystery of Blue. You can, of course, you can use your colors from your palette, but you can find in your palette colors with the letter G, which it's about granulation, and it should look really cold and dark enough. Beautiful saturated blue color, reflection from the sky. And with burgundy, pink and orange, I will go to the light zone. The reflection from the warm areas. And now we need to apply some warm colors. I use Naples Yellow by Mijello. And I will apply water around to make them soft shining effect. I need white gouache and a little bit warm pigment to make this color warmer. For example, you can add some figures in the contrast of the distant building. Here, here. Some elements here if you need. It looks good for volume. But not everywhere. Okay, I'm ready to finish right now. See you beautiful results under hashtag Sinasta Lessons, and see you soon on the new beautiful works and lessons.